Coming up, there's a bit of a high line as well, which looks like a bit of a mess. People like to blow wide on that corner. Hey, Jamie here from New Zealand Mountain Biking, here with Brad. We're going to boost down Black House down. Yeah, which takes you down to Te Putaki or Tawa, which is a new car park. Yep. Forest Hub 2, used to be known as Black House. Sweet bro, let's go. So this is pretty new. Oh, squeaky brakes, a little bit of rain, so really trail's in perfect condition. Yeah, this one's nice and new, and it kind of reminds me of Tukanuhi, which starts about 200 meters away. So yeah, these tracks here are sick, and just after the rain holds everything together. Yeah, it's pretty nice and chopped out. Got some good braking bumps already. Ooh, a little bit sludgy. Oh, over jumped it again. Oh. So there's the car park there, and it just drops down, and there's a shuttle that can pick you up at the bottom too, which is pretty sweet. Still with you, bro. Coming up, there's a bit of a high line as well, which looks like a bit of a mess. People like to blow wide on that corner. And yeah, just picking our way down. A couple more little jumps. And then this is that roller I was telling you about, bro. It's not a jump, the fake jump. And that's it. So if you like what you see, check out our other trails, subscribe to the YouTube channel, come to a lesson. Cheers, brother.
Thanks.